Welcome back to my channel, the #1 place on YouTube for martial artists to improve their training. In today's video, I'm going to be covering the most common mistakes that martial artists make when they're doing side kicks. Now before we get started with this video, I want to show you a really unique tool that I have created called the kick vault. In the kick vault, I go through all the basic martial arts kicks and I break them down to go through so you know how to do them step by step, most common mistakes that people do while doing them, and how to improve them. The kick vault has everything from basic kicks like roundhouse kick, side kick, into jump kicks like a jumping front snap kick, and spin kicks like tornado kicks and spin hook kick. So if you're interested in the kick vault, make sure you check out the link in the description below. And now let's go ahead and get into the video with the most common mistakes people make when performing side kicks. The first most common mistake is not using your hips properly in a side kick. And I'm going to break this down in two different parts. The first one is not pivoting your body all the way. So when you're doing a side kick, you want to make sure that you turn your body all the way. And the first step is going to be pivoting your bottom foot. So let me show you the incorrect way of doing it. Watch this foot. Okay? Now that's a little exaggerated, but it's so that you get the point. This bottom foot has to turn all the way around when you're performing a side kick. So here's the incorrect way. So you can tell that I can't even execute it with any power or anything because my hips just are not turning. So that's the first thing, is make sure you turn your bottom foot so that you can turn your hips all the way and use them to gain that power. So here's the correct way. So basically make sure the foot that's on the bottom turns all the way around as you're performing your side kick. Now the second part to using your hips improperly is crunching your body in instead of extending them out for the full execution of the kick. Here's what I'm talking about. If I stand up in my fighting stance, I can still pivot with crunching my body in like this. And look at this body motion already. You're crunching your body in rather than pushing it out so you can extend that side kick. A lot of people like to crunch their body in because they think that it's going to help them get a higher kick. But really all it does is take away your power and give you an ugly kick with wrong technique. So here's the wrong way of doing it. And now here's the right way. So if you see my hips, I really turn them over, I pivot all the way, and then I push them out, I lean my body back so I can open up my body and use my hips to really push the kick in. If you crunch your body in like this, you're limited to so much power that you can't use because a lot of the power comes from your hips. So make sure that you're not crunching your body in and you're pivoting your bottom foot all the way for the first most common mistake martial artists make when doing a side kick. Now the second most common mistake when doing a side kick is re-chambering incorrectly. And this is done in all kinds of different ways. Whether it is like this, the first one, where you do a side kick and then you just let it bring down rather than retracting the kick back in. Or for people that like to do a side kick and then bring it back in like a roundhouse kick chamber. Or people that like to swing their retraction back in like this. So I think the best way of getting the motion down is doing a kick on the ground. And I've shown you this before in other videos, but basically all you're gonna do is lay down on the ground, lean over to one side, bring your knee in. This is where you want your kick to start and end. Really close towards your stomach like this. So you don't want your knee pointing out towards where your kick's going, but rather chambered in tight like this. You're gonna wanna kick it out. Make sure your hip is turned all the way over. You don't want your kick to be up and your toes going diagonally. Over and then bring it back in. That is the proper chamber. Out, back in. Out, back in. So check to see how you're retracting your kick after you execute it, and make sure you're not doing one of these improper ways of re-chambering during your side kick. The third most common mistake that martial artists make when doing a side kick is pushing rather than striking. Now this can be debatable based off of like what kick you're going for, and maybe you want a style of having a pushing motion, but here's what I'm talking about. When you're doing a side kick, a lot of people try and almost treat it like a push kick, but just rather in like a side kick motion. When you do a side kick, you want to make sure that you're striking, you're cutting the kick hard. So from here, just like that. I see a lot of kids go up to a band and they'll do a side kick and they'll kind of just push right through it. But for a good side kick, try and focus on having a good strike if that is the type of kick that you are going for. So those are some of the 3 main mistakes that I see people doing when they're performing side kicks. If you like this video and you want to check out tips and ways to improve all the basic kicks, make sure that you check out my kick vault that is in the link in the description below, where I go through all the basic standing kicks, jump kicks, spin kicks, everything so that you can break them down and know how to do them properly to have awesome technique. If you guys like this video, make sure that you give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, because on this channel I post new videos 3 times a week on Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays to help you improve in your training. I will see you guys all in my next video, or check me out on Instagram. Have an awesome week training, and I will see you guys all later. Bye guys.